Have you ever been ignored by a woman you deeply cared about and suddenly your entire worth felt like it was put on trial? Here's the brutal truth. Being ignored isn't always accidental. Sometimes it's a test. Sometimes it's a game. And other times it's a silent declaration of dominance. But what if he told you there's a way to flip the script without saying a single word? And no, it doesn't involve sending 27 hate texts or dramatically posting gym selfies with captions like, "New me who this?" Today we're diving deep into the psychological chess match behind being ignored and how to destroy her ego without destroying your self-respect. Please like video and subscribe my channel. Let's play smarter, not harder. 1. The power of non-reaction. When a woman ignores you, the first wave that hits is emotional confusion, frustration, maybe even a little panic, and your instinct to fix it, to send a text, call, ask what's wrong, show her you care. But here's what most men don't realize. That reaction is exactly what she's counting on. Psychologists call it negative reinforcement. Every time you respond to her silence with attention, validation, or desperation, you're training her ego to grow stronger. She learns, if I pull away, he chases. And once that cycle starts, you're no longer leading the dynamic. You're following it. Here's how you flip the game. Do absolutely nothing. Go silent. Don't double text. Don't post dramatic quotes. Don't try to win her back. Your silence is louder than any message you could send. And it sends one signal loud and clear. I'm not emotionally dependent on you. Non-reaction is your psychological weapon. It creates mystery, power, control. You become unpredictable, and unpredictability is magnetically attractive. Think of yourself as James Bond in a tailored suit of emotional discipline. Cool, calm, and completely unbothered. No begging, no overthinking, just cold silence with a raised eyebrow, and that's when her mind starts spinning. Why isn't he reacting? Did he lose him? Is he over me? Because here's the truth. Women notice silence more than words, and it plants a seed of doubt in her ego. But be warned, silence is only the beginning, because next you make her question everything without saying a word. And that, my friend, is when your next move becomes devastatingly effective. 2. Redirect the energy. Scarcity mindset. Now that you've gone silent, she's waiting, watching, wondering if you'll break. But instead of breaking, you pivot. Redirect the energy you once gave to her into yourself, your goals, your fitness, your social life, your peace. You stop focusing on the loss and start embracing the opportunity. Here's why that matters. In female psychology, perception is everything. When a man who once chased her suddenly becomes emotionally unavailable, it sends a powerful signal, scarcity. And scarcity is what triggers a shift in her mind. Did I misjudge his value? Did I overplay me hand? Start posting subtle wins. You're not flaunting, you're evolving. A photo at a rooftop bar, a story from your morning run, a clip of your new business venture. These tiny shifts aren't just updates, they're power plays. They trigger FOMO, fear of missing out, because now you're not the guy she ignored. You're the guy she can't seem to figure out anymore. Remember, mystery is sexy, desperation is not. So don't post grind mode selfies with inspirational quotes like you're auditioning for a motivational poster. Just live well. Live authentically. Let her observe the glow up, not be told about it. The more you pull back, the more she leans in. It's the law of emotional gravity. She starts checking your stories, liking old posts, testing the waters. Why? Because her ego is confused. She thought you'd fall apart. Instead, you disappeared into progress. But now comes the turning point. Because when she tries to come back, the question is, will you still play the same game or flip the script entirely? 3. Flip the frame, control the narrative. So now she's watching, lurking, maybe even tossing breadcrumbs, liking a photo, replying to a story, or sending a casual, "Hey, this is the trap." Most guys fall for it. They see her return as a green light to resume chasing. Validation kicks in, and they dive back into old habits. But here's the move that destroys her ego. You flip the frame. Instead of reacting, you respond on your terms. You're no longer the guy who needs her attention. You're the man who chooses when and how to give yours. And that shift, it's everything. This is called controlling the narrative. You act like nothing happened, like her silence didn't even scratch you. Be polite but distant, friendly but detached. And most importantly, never reward disrespect with instant access. Why? Because now she's uncertain and emotional. Uncertainty is where attraction lives. Think of it like this. She unsubscribed from your emotional subscription service. Now she wants back in, but the trial period is over. This time she has to pay full price. Your new energy says, I'm not mad. I'm just not available like I used to be. And that subtle change, it flips the psychological power completely in your favor. Her ego expected you to chase. Instead, you gave her indifference. And that's far more haunting. She doesn't know where she stands anymore. And when someone doesn't know where they stand, they start reaching. But what if she doesn't come back at all? What if the silence remains? That's when you unlock the ultimate power move, and it has nothing to do with her and everything to do with you. 4. Detach from the outcome, the true power move. Let's say she doesn't come back. No texts, no signs, just silence. This is where most men break. They start doubting everything. Was it not enough? Did I play it wrong? Buther's the truth bomb most never hear. Detachment is the ultimate form of power. Because real strength isn't getting her back. It's being okay if she never returns. When you detach from the outcome, you send the strongest signal of all. I don't need you to validate my worth. This doesn't mean you didn't care. It means you've reclaimed control over your emotional economy. You've stopped outsourcing your peace to someone else's behavior. And ironically, that's when the tables turn. Because detachment isn't apathy, it's mastery. You're no longer auditioning for someone who walked out of the theater. The show goes on with or without their applause. While she was expecting you to spiral, instead you evolved. You leveled up. You created distance between her actions and your identity. And trust me, that silence will echo louder than any reply ever could. She may try to circle back, or maybe she won't. But the beauty is you don't need her to, because now you're not chasing closure. You're creating freedom. But what if she does return when you finally detached? That's where things get complicated, and you'll need to make a choice that rewrites the entire game. 5. Reclaim the frame. Do you still want her? So she comes back. The text you thought would never come suddenly appears. Hey, I've been thinking about you. It's tempting. The part of you that missed her wants to respond instantly. But before you do, ask yourself one question. Do I truly want her back, or just the idea of her? Because here's the hard truth. Sometimes we don't miss the person. We miss who we were with them. So don't let her back in just because you're flattered. Take a step back and assess. Has anything changed? Has she taken accountability? Does she respect your value now? Or is she returning out of boredom or ego? You're not the same man she ignored. You've changed. You've grown, and she needs to meet the new standards you've created. This isn't a reunion, it's a ration. And this time, you're the one doing the choosing. Let her earn back your attention. Let her prove she values your time. Because the moment you take back your frame, you no longer fear rejection. You control access. And here's the twist. If she doesn't meet your standards, you walk not bitterly but boldly. Because this journey was never about her ego. It was always about reclaiming yours. When a woman ignores you, you have two choices. React out of fago or respond with strategy. The most powerful men don't chase. They attract. Not through mind games, but through self-respect, detachment, and emotional discipline. Her ego may have started the game, but yours will end it. If this video opened your eyes to the hidden layers of female psychology, don't just scroll. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the real truths most won't tell you. Your power is in your silence. Use it wisely. This is not about revenge.